Hello everyone today. Good evening, good night. Yes, I'm greeting everyone today. I want to talk about our country Nigeria. Biafra, why can't you wake up? Nigeria, Igbo people, why can't you people wake up? Everybody in Nigeria, why can't you wake up? You don't want to wake up. Everybody just sit and be looking. London, America, wherever you are, everybody's supposed to come down. Because this is getting out of hand though. You know our family in Nigeria, everybody's in Nigeria there. There's too much suffer. It's not easy. It's not easy. Even we were there abroad, it's not easy. We have to be careful. We have to help our family in Africa now. Because all these Fulani men, I don't understand though. Anyị na-anọ ebe a na-asị na onwere ihe na-eme na onwere ihe na-eme na onwere ihe a na-emebi. Nothing dey happen, nothing dey happen. The thing go dey happen. Nothing go happen, nothing dey happen. Before we go know they don't take over everywhere. Nothing go happen, nothing go happen. Yawa dey burst. Abeg, my people all over the place, outside country. Me, I'm living in Turkey, Istanbul. You're supposed to be wise and be smart. No be this one wey just dey all of us just dey talk say nothing dey happen, nothing dey happen. They are moving with force. They are using force to move. Nothing dey happen, nothing. Everybody just relax. Nothing. Please, I'm begging everybody, open your eyes and be wise. Because this thing that is happening is not a small thing. Our Igbo people, Kebunu no. Biko onye ọbụla mụrụ anya ka azụ, mụrụ n'anya ka azụ, ụmụ afọ Igbo mụrụ n'anya ka azụ. Mụ na open our eyes. Everything just going. Everything in Nigeria scatter one place to another. If you open internet, you will be seeing many things. No food, or too much hunger. Agụ ndị mmadụ. Too much hunger, no food to eat. Please. Everybody mụrụ anya biko mụrụ n'anya ka anyị ma ihe a na-eme eme, ka ama ebe ha na-eme eme, ka ama ihe a na-eme eme because mụ aghọtalụ. Ka ama ihe a na-eme eme, ihe a obodo na-achazi ọkụ. Mụrụ n'anya ka azụ, mepee n'anya unu niile. Even ebe anụ mụ na Turkey ebe a, this place I'm living in Turkey. No be say they make their governor, their president make everything equal for everybody, whether you rich, whether you poor. Everybody is the same. Nke a egbu abụọ egbu emela nka eme nka. Are you people not tired? Me, I'm tired though. Sometimes shame they catch me. Shame me here na-eme mụ myself. Mụnwa ihere na-eme mụnwa be n'otu am nọ. Ihere na-eme m. Ị na-anaba anyị like this. Isi ka ị na-aba anyị, ị na-anaba anyị ezigbo anyị abụrụ jaga. No good road, nothing. Agụ a na-agụ, ị na-aga ebe ị otu ahụ onye fụgo na-ebel gị ego nka. I don't understand though. My people, wherever you are, in Germany, in any country, wherever you are, outside country, please, anywhere you are, just be very, very careful. Please, I'm begging everyone, be very, very careful. Open your eyes. Ndị Igbo mepee na anya unu. Unu anọdụ na-asị na onwere ihe na-eme, na ihe a na-emebi. And the worst part, ndị na-ebite ya bụrụ ụmụ nwanne anyị. People that ndị na-eme anyị ihe ọjọọ abụrụ our own listen. Ọ bụrụ our own blood na-eme anyị ihe ọjọọ. Eziokwu bụ na-enye m ike mma egbusisi ọkwa ịnwa ndị isi nọ njọsọ bee ha ka mma berie. Because from ana church anọdụ ana think for the poor ones so ndị enwero ka ọ dị ha. biko ndị nọcha abroad anyị nwa nọchakwa obodo oyibo ndị nọchakwa many country biko tinye na anya mụrụ na anya ka azụ ka anyị mụkwa ihe anyị na-eme ndị be anyị nọ n'ụlọ ị na-aghọta uche anyị dị ya bikos ihe ndị a na-emezi ndị achọzi imezi obodo anyị ka obodo anyị bụrụ ka arapụrụ iburu kristi ka anyị bụrụzie ndị ihe a ndị na-akpụ isi n'ala uche unu mụrụ ya unu mụrụ anya ka azụ everybody in Nigeria there self I'm tired self Nna me I don't know how to speak BB grammar anyhow mburu dị oyibo I want to hear because as well as that I will speak the one anyone can hear so broken so anyhow pidgin English no shaking nke ọbụla nsoro onye ya amụ ya mụcha amụ no shaking nwere ihe na-eme but in na agwụ onye ọbụla nọ na Nigeria everybody in Nigeria there is supposed to be wise open your eyes. And second one, this one that they say Buhari, our government, president. We say if we be Nigeria, would they follow the course? Now Buhari say me na come out to come they do the baba thing. Now Buhari say me na come out come they do anything we na they do. Now Buhari say me na do come enter Yahoo Plus. Now Buhari say me na do they keep people they do baba thing for internet. No be Buhari say make una dey do am. You understand? And no be Buhari say make una everybody dey do those kind thing. You understand me? No be any small thing they go to say president go do the one wey him go do. You people wey be say individual too, una go help am build your country too. You understand me? No be anything they go say Buhari this one. You people sef wey be your own don achi wey people wey in be their senior. Why can't you people even help the man too to stand too? Now everything na be Buhari, everything na Buhari, everything no be Buhari. Whether I'm Igbo or any country, it's not anyone's business. But I'm telling you people, I dey tell una wetin dey happen. Make una focus. You understand me? No be everything una go say na the person wey be the president na be the problem. Which problem? Now we will be ourselves, now be the problem for ourselves. I'm telling you people truth. We will be the people where they guide self. Now we be our own personal problem for ourselves. Not be the president too. Now we self the problem. Even the president they do their own, but we self will be people and achi. We will be we are problem for ourselves. I beg everybody. No the kind thing wey una dey post for internet. Second one self, make una know una self, make una dey respect una country where una come from. No be say any small thing una go say na Buhari or na this one do am or no be this one do am. My dear, you people supposed to be wise. You people are adult. You know what is good and you know what is bad. You're doing it and you're saying na your government, na your bad government. Some people you will find work for them. They will tell you that they are not going to work. They want fast train. They want go move fast. So you will not tell me that is it Buhari that make them to go and do their fast train. It's what the person want to do. So not everything is president. Not everything is president. Not everything you blame president. And me, what I notice in Nigeria, if you are doing something, don't look at people. Know what is good for you and do it. And you know what is good, Sha, you do it. And you know what you're doing. Is you alright or not alright? Not you be doing the stupid thing and you're calling your president on top. Say that is the person that is the president that tell you to go and do that bad thing? Or is it the president that tell you to come abroad or come anywhere or then in Nigeria and be doing rubbish things? Please, our people are just the vex, so are just the vex. You understand me? Abụ nwa afọ Igbo. Nwa afọ Igbo, nwa afọ Anambra, nwa afọ Abacha. Akwụ m Abacha ezi Owerri. So ebe ahụ ka nsi. So ihe nche egwu unu m na-agụ ya ka egwu. Onye like obelive, onye like ya ode ihe ọbụla ọ ya ede. Ọbụla ọ gbasara ọrụ m. You no concern me. If you like, make you write anything through your this thing. It's not my business. But what I'm telling you, everyone, Not everything you call president. You sef wey be say you dey the country wey dey train. You supposed to be wise for yourself. You supposed to even you don't do everything you go say, eh, na this person, na the president, na him cause am, na this one, na him cause am. No, my dear. People supposed to be wise. Now the president the same one that dey spoil the country. And this time the world have opened. Everything that you do, somebody can be in the side and be videoing it and put it in the internet. You tell me that this one, no Buhari, na Buhari, na Buhari. If you peace, you go say na Buhari. If you do this one, na Buhari. If you do that, are you people not tired? Me, I'm tired for all those kind of things. Because nobody is baby. Please, people are supposed to be wise and stop blaming someone. So I just want to talk about this today. Next time you people will see me in another way, okay? And subscribe. AB Media. God bless everyone.